Ready to sell your NFTs and potentially profit from your collection? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to list and sell NFTs on the Crypto.com marketplace. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Selling your NFTs is straightforward, whether you're an artist minting original work or a collector trading digital assets. Go to your NFT wallet in the Crypto.com app and select the NFT you want to sell. Tap the Sell button and choose between a fixed price or timed auction. Set your price in CRO, USD, or other supported currencies. For auctions, set a starting bid and reserve price if desired. Review the platform fees and creator royalties. Once listed, your NFT will be visible to millions of potential buyers. You'll receive notifications when someone places a bid or buys your item directly. A crucial pro tip: price competitively by researching similar NFTs in the same collection. Good photography and detailed descriptions increase sale chances. For high-value items, consider auctions to maximize price discovery through bidding wars. And just like that, you're monetizing your digital assets in the global marketplace. Selling NFTs turns your collection into liquid assets and potential profit. Have you had success selling NFTs? What was your most profitable sale? Share your story in the comments. For collection management, watch our next video on how to deposit NFT to Crypto.com wallet. Thanks for watching.